Do you want to create a website for free? If you want to create or build a free website with a free domain, the best option is using the Wix website. This is a very popular CMS website where you can build your own website for completely free. Also, you will get a free domain for your website. And here's I'll show you how to get and create free website and free domain in Wix. Go to wix.com and here click on get started. And now we have to create a brand new account in Wix. So click on sign up. And in this email box, type your email for your account. Confirm your email address in this field. And now create a strong password for your Wix account. And in this box, retype the password. And now click on sign up. And ensure that you are human. And finally click on sign up. And here, who are you creating a website for? I'm selecting here for myself, my business, or a friend. And here, you can go ahead and make your Wix website with artificial intelligence by clicking on start chat. In my case, I'm selecting here setup without chat. And now, what type of website do you want to create? I'm selecting here online store. And that's it. Now start setting up your store. Give your store a name. You can create a new one or use a name you already have. So in my case, I'm typing here my website name, how to 1 minute, and clicking on continue. And here, do you already have an online store? I'm selecting no, I'm just starting out. Continue. And what kind of products are you selling? I'm selecting here physical products and digital products. How are you offering your products? You can select one or multiple options here. And now just click on continue to dashboard and you're all set. And here you find your Wix main dashboard, and you've already created a Wix website and you've already own a free domain here. Now to view your Wix website, first of all you have to click on design site. And how would you like to design your website? You can generate your template with artificial intelligence, or you can pick a custom template. So in my case, I'm selecting here pick a template because this is really very easy to make a website using a ready-made template. So this template library, go ahead and select a free template for your site and just edit the specific template. And here you directly jump into Wix editor, and I've already uploaded bunch of different videos on my channel. You can watch them to learn how to edit and customize a Wix website. So once your editing finish, you have to click on publish. So publish your first Wix website here, and here we can see my site domain, and let's click on view site, and this is my Wix website domain or link, and finally here is my free Wix website. So that's how we can super easily get free domain and free website using Wix. And now you can watch my another videos to learn how to add custom theme or how to change theme in Wix. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.